a world where imagination meets innovation and the impossible becomes reality. In this video, we're exploring 7 incredible future inventions that are set to change the world as we know it. From luxurious airborne yachts to revolutionary oceanic habitats, these groundbreaking technologies will redefine how we live, travel, and protect our world. Imagine a yacht that can not only sail the seas, but also soar through the skies. Introducing the Air Yacht V2, a flying super yacht that looks like it's come straight out of a sci-fi movie. Designed by the visionary minds at Lazzarini Designs, this extraordinary vessel is set to redefine luxury travel. The Air Yacht V2 is constructed from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber, making it both strong and incredibly efficient. The design centers around 2 massive blimps, each measuring 169 meters in length. These blimps are filled with helium, allowing the yacht to achieve lift and glide effortlessly through the air. Inside each blimp, you'll find cutting-edge technology, including solar panels and light batteries that help power the vessel. The Air Yacht V2 is equipped with counter-rotating electric motors, each boasting 950 horsepower, which provide both propulsion and the ability to land on water. This incredible yacht can reach a top speed of 100 knots, which is roughly 185 kilometers per hour, or 115 miles per hour. Whether you're gliding over the ocean or cruising through the skies, the Air Yacht V2 is more than just a vessel. It's a revolutionary way to experience the world. Imagine a hotel so advanced, it never needs to land. Welcome to the nuclear-powered Sky Hotel, also known as Sky Cruise, where the future of hospitality takes flight. This incredible floating city in the sky is designed to accommodate over 5,000 guests, offering an experience that blends the comfort of a luxury cruise with the awe-inspiring views of high-altitude travel. At the rear of the hotel, the 360-degree viewing deck offers an unparalleled experience. Here, guests can marvel at the beauty of the skies from sunrise to sunset, with the promise of witnessing the aurora borealis up close, a spectacle more extraordinary than ever before. But the Sky Hotel is more than just a place to stay. It's a floating metropolis. The main concourse is a hub of activity, complete with shopping malls, gourmet restaurants, and even a state-of-the-art medical facility. The Sky Hotel is truly remarkable for its 20 nuclear-powered engines. These engines allow the hotel to cruise endlessly above the cloud line, eliminating the need for landing. The nuclear-powered Sky Hotel is more than just a technological marvel. It's a glimpse into the future of travel and luxury. In a world where electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL, aircraft are gaining momentum, the HX-50 helicopter emerges as a powerful contender in the realm of personal air travel. Designed by Hill Helicopters, the HX-50 represents a new era of general aviation. At the heart of the HX-50 is Hill's proprietary GT50 turbine engine, delivering an impressive 500 shaft horsepower. This power translates to a cruise speed of 140 knots, or 161 miles per hour, and a remarkable maximum range of 700 nautical miles. Step inside the HX-50, and you'll find a 5-seat helicopter engineered to blend cutting-edge technology with the raw power and reliability of a traditional helicopter. The cockpit features a fully digital interface, including 2 15.6-inch screens and an iPad dock, providing pilots with all the information and control they need at their fingertips. The HX-50 is equipped with a 3-bladed main rotor, a feature that sets it apart from traditional 2-bladed helicopters. This design provides greater stiffness and stability. The HX-50 is more than just a helicopter. It's a revolution in personal air travel. Meet the Vision EQXX, the electric vehicle that's redefining the limits of efficiency and range. With more than 1,000 kilometers of real-world electric range on a single charge, the Vision EQXXX is setting a new standard for what's possible in the world of electric mobility. One of the key factors behind this incredible range is its world-beating drag coefficient of just 0.17. This low drag, combined with a lightweight bionic design, allows the vehicle to slice through the air with minimal resistance, enhancing both efficiency and performance. But the Vision EQXX isn't just about range. It's about groundbreaking efficiency. With an energy consumption of less than 10 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers and an impressive 8.7 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers at an average speed, this vehicle demonstrates that high efficiency doesn't have to come at the expense of performance. The Vision EQXX is more than just a car. It's a blueprint for the future of sustainable transportation. With its incredible range, groundbreaking efficiency, and innovative design, it represents a significant leap forward in electric mobility. Welcome to Paradise Ocean Living, where modern luxury meets the untamed beauty of the sea. Imagine waking up every day to the sound of gentle waves, surrounded by nothing but pristine waters and endless horizons. This is the promise of the Seapod Eco model, an innovative floating accommodation designed to bring you closer to nature while offering the comforts of a modern home. Their Alpha Blue model, strategically positioned alongside our flagship model, showcases the pinnacle of floating living. Nestled in a secluded location far from the hustle and bustle of civilization, the Seapod Eco thrives in an environment that emphasizes full autonomy and a deep connection with nature. Step inside, and you'll find that the Alpha Blue is more than just a floating home. It's a sanctuary. From solar-powered amenities to water recycling systems, the Alpha Blue allows you to live off the grid without sacrificing luxury. In a world that often feels too fast and too loud, Paradise Ocean Living offers a refuge, a place where you can escape, recharge, and truly live in harmony with the environment. The Oceanbird concept is set to revolutionize maritime transport. Developed by Wallenius Marine, this wind-powered cargo vessel represents a bold step toward reducing the carbon footprint of the shipping industry. Imagine a ship that harnesses the power of the wind to move massive loads across the ocean, cutting emissions by up to 90%. At the heart of the Oceanbird's design are its innovative wing sails. These sails can rotate 360 degrees and tilt down when necessary, adapting to changing wind conditions and ensuring optimal performance at all times. Standing 40 meters tall, these masts give the ship a total height of 65 meters above the waterline, making it a towering yet graceful presence on the seas. The first vessel to emerge from the Oceanbird concept is planned to be a 200-meter-long roll-on, roll-off ship, capable of carrying up to 7,000 cars across the Atlantic. Oceanbird isn't just a ship, it's a symbol of what's possible when innovation meets sustainability. As the world moves toward greener alternatives, Oceanbird is leading the way, proving that even the largest vessels can sail into the future with minimal impact on the environment. Welcome to the Deep Sentinel system, a groundbreaking innovation that opens up a new world of subsea living and working. The Sentinel system is remarkably versatile. It can be configured at virtually any scale, from a compact 6-crew setup for short-term deployments to expansive 50-crew research stations. This adaptability makes it ideal for a wide range of underwater operations, from scientific research to deep-sea exploration. Deep's research team is developing a large-scale bioreactor designed to treat all waste on board. This innovative technology eliminates the need for periodic emptying of tanks, making subsea living more sustainable and efficient. The system is setting a new standard for subsea operations. Its ability to adapt and reconfigure at depth, combined with cutting-edge waste management solutions, ensures that humanity can explore and utilize the ocean's depths like never before. The Deep Sentinel system is leading the way, offering a glimpse into a world where the ocean's mysteries are no longer out of reach, but an exciting frontier just waiting to be explored. These 7 inventions are more than just ideas. They're the future. Which of these incredible inventions are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible insights into the future.